Hello and welcome to Highlight Motors. You are looking at a 1989 BMW 325 IS. That's right, E30. Alpine white, gorgeous, sport package. Well, this one has way more than all that. This thing has been upgraded. Almost everything has been upgraded. It's a S54 swap from an E46 M3 with the S54 or the E46 M3 transmission. I'm just gonna go over a few upgrades on this. This thing has so much, I can't go over everything. It's just too much. Honestly, like I said, the amount of stuff, it's too much for me to list. And if you know what is required to build a E30 S54 swap, then you know that this had a lot of man hours involved. Not an easy task. So first thing, 5-luck conversion, that's done all around. You also have the Porsche brakes front, 996 Porsche brakes in the front, E46 in the back. You do have the BMW Motorsport stamped S or DS2s, I believe. These are the DS2s, and they're BMW Motorsport stamped. That's pretty cool. Kind of rare. You don't see these often. Suspension, complete overhaul. Sway bar links, polyurethane bushings, ground control coilovers, ground control camber plates. I mean, everything has been done to this thing as far as, the control arms, front and back. I believe the whole thing was redone. Now let's talk about the engine here. So there you go. Beautiful S54. Carbon intake, alpha tune, upgraded cooling system, aluminum radiator, electric fan, the list goes on. Power steering, the whole power steering system. These are the power steering lines. It's been upgraded, as well as the brake booster. That's been upgraded. It does have a lot of work. I mean, a lot of work. I know you know what, let me keep this up. We're going to start this thing up. I know the wheel hubs, all four, were replaced with OEM BMW wheel hubs. I also know that the rod bearings were changed on this motor before it went in. So the rod bearings have been done on the S54. I also know that the rear differential, it's the stock 325 IS LSD. The clutches were rebuilt. Let me take a look here, just so you see. It does also have a full titanium exhaust, headers all the way back, with, I believe, a Borla exhaust muffler. There's a custom exhaust. Paint on it is phenomenal. Looks great. Clutch is extremely strong. Tons of fun to drive. Wheels have spacers. Oops. Drop the keys. Let's get her started. Starts right up. is terrific. Rev happy. Amazing. So another cool thing about this car is that it is a California car. So there's really no rust on this thing. Super clean. I mean, is it a show car? Probably. Definitely a good cars and coffee car. Does it need a little love? Minimal. I mean, everything that's difficult has been done. I guess it all comes down to who's working on it, or if you're doing the work yourself or not. But maybe the interior could be upgraded. Still looks great though. I mean, it's really nice. It matches the Alpine white. Minimal wear and tear on the interior for its age. Let's close this thing. Go. One more walk around. The lines are really straight. Really, really nice car. For sale at Highlight Motors. More details at highlightmotors.com.